Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make croissants at home. We'll walk through a straightforward process that brings the magic of French baking right into your kitchen. You don't need to be a pastry chef to create these flaky, buttery treats. Get ready to impress yourself and your loved ones with warm, golden croissants, perfect for any morning. Let's get started on this delightful baking adventure. To begin, gather your key ingredients. You'll need about 500 grams of all-purpose flour, some active dry yeast, and a bit of sugar and salt. The star of the show is 250 grams of very cold, unsalted butter, essential for creating those beautiful layers. Make sure you have a good rolling pin and a spacious, cool work surface ready. These simple items are the foundation for your amazing croissants. Our easy method focuses on efficient lamination. First, mix your dough and let it rest, then chill it for about 30 minutes. Next, you'll carefully encase the cold butter within the dough. The key is performing 3 turns or folds, chilling the dough for 20 minutes after each one. This process builds those signature flaky layers without excessive effort, making it much more approachable for home bakers. Once your dough is laminated, it's time to shape your croissants. Roll out the dough, cut it into triangles, and gently roll them into their iconic crescent shape. Let them proof in a warm place until they've doubled in size and are visibly puffy. Then, bake them at about 400 degrees Fahrenheit until golden brown and irresistible. Don't forget to check the description for the link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals. Enjoy your warm, homemade croissants with a cup of coffee.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.